friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Truekind bra reviews. This video will help you know whether the product is legit or scam. If you have not purchased this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your question, should I buy the product or not? If you have experienced any fraud with the product, watch this video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before that, let's find out some essential details about the product. Here you can see this product available in 3 different sizes, 3 different colors and size up to 3x large. You can go for small to 3XL large size to buy the product. And talking about the price of the product, here you can see available at only $24.99, which is a quite affordable price to pay for a bra that provide comfort to you. It's a wire-free bra, as you can see in the description they have mentioned. But before you buy any such product, it is important that you look for all the legitimacy checkpoints, which I am going to discuss in this video as I have done a deep investigation on the product. But before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further, here you can see all the details of the product. If I talk about the item, it has a hook and eye closure. It's a seamless wireless bra for women. It is made of super soft seamless material and it feels very good on your skin. You will forget all those bras that have caused discomfort to you when you wear this one. Comfort bra with a perfect fit. Now Truekind understand that getting a right fit for your bra is essential, and so they have come up with free exchanges until you find your ideal size. It is designed for your comfort. It has a built-up shoulder straps which are wide so that they won't dig into your shoulders and leave painful grooves. Hook and eye closure is given for easy on and off. It is a seamless bra which states that the design won't show through no matter how light the fabric you are wearing over it. It has lightly lined foam cups for more opacity. Moving further and talking about some other essential details and description of the product, here this bra comes with a wearability, all of above. The mission is to create a comfortable bra that is designed to help every wearer feel more confident and empowered and in a total control. Now this women's bra is a complete game changer. The mission of the manufacturer of the bra is to make you happily flaunt all your curves. The sizes, as I've already told you, are available from XS to 3XL. No wire structured foam support. Hook and eye closure is given for easy wear. No unsightly bra lines with the seamless design, and wide no dig straps for ideal comfort. Talking about the social media presence and customer reviews, well guys, yes, this bra is available on social media platforms, and here is the complete picture of the bra. This is a picture where the girl is wearing a bra and you can see the seamless structure. And when I talk about the customer reviews, guys, I have received a lot of customer reviews on this bra, and here you can see that total 3.9 stars out of 5 have been given to the product by Amazon customers. As this website is being sold on Amazon.com, you will find all the reviews which are completely genuine. Mostly people have given 4.6 to 4.4 and 4.2 rating to the product. All the pictures of the product have been shown here. People have reviewed that the size of bra was good and everything was perfect. But as every coin has two sides, I also received some of the negative reviews about the product where people have said that the adjustment of the bra took a lot of time and that was super annoying for them. Apart from them, Apart from that, they feel that the overall quality of the product was okay. So overall guys, I would like to say that yes, this bra is a legit one, but it is not the single bra you will find with the same features. Yes, there are many alternative options. If you find something else for a less price, you can give that, you can buy it. But this product is also a worth trying product because it also comes with a very low price tag. Now if you're looking for the money back option, it's simple. All you have to do is view the link which we have provided in our description box. Friends, please comment your thoughts on this video, like this video, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe and be informed. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.